So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I want to share with you guys something that's been heavy on my heart following a previous conversation with my accountant. Now, the reason I want to share with you guys this video is I'm trying to document a portion of my life, and what I'm going to share with you guys I believe is the easiest way to get exactly what you wanted out of your life personally, financially, money-wise. If you want to make more money, especially if you're young. Career, if you want to advance and have better opportunities when you're a young individual, as well as personally, if you want to go out there and become physically fit, more attractive, and just become a better person. I wanted to share and reflect on the easiest way, because I believe I didn't have the biggest skill in 2021, but I had a recent meeting with my accountant, and he told me that I made a little over 6 figures in 2021, and this for me was a huge milestone in my life, guys. From dropping out of college to pursuing my business dreams to building online income streams on TikTok and just growing a personal brand of over 300,000 followers on TikTok as well in 2021. It was just a huge milestone in my year. And I just want to think in my life personally, I was like, damn, Peter, what did you do? And like, what is the easiest way? I'm trying to think about where I was just getting started and how I've, started my business and how I started to make more money when I was young and how I started to, build following on social media and how I just started to go and approach different opportunities. What was getting me across the bridge? Because I feel like there's so many young people, for me, like I didn't have the college degree, so that was not my leverage I can use to, make $100,000, $150,000 in my life because I don't have this degree to fall on. What did I do to manifest and build this simple life? And I just wanted to think about what I really did and just hopefully help you just be transparent and be like, damn, it's more about this one thing. And it's all about what I realized is like life is about a numbers game, both relationship, financially, and even on TikTok. What I've learned is that it's about the number of reps that you're doing for yourself every day. Now, what I did and what I sacrificed in my early 20s was just doing the reps on the weekends, working long hours, going from one job to another job. And especially last year, I was working every weekend. I was waking up at 6, going to bed at 8, working on a side hustle, posting 3 or 4 times a week. 3 to 4 times every day at night after I got off of work. And I realized that this slow growth, this continual of just doing the numbers allowed me to get the growth that I wanted to. Like I said, I wasn't great on TikTok. I wasn't, in the best vehicle to make the most amount of money. But what I was doing is I was continuing to strive. I was continuing just to put the time underneath the bar. And I think even personally, physically in my life, when I'm trying to get stronger, some people ask, how can I get stronger? And it's super simple. And we go to the gym, we train, we track our calories, we work out every day. We don't see instant results, but the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th month, you start to see your body change. And what I want to share with you guys is that if you feel stuck, if you feel like you're not getting where you want to be in life, it's just personally, physically, and you just feel like you're not having the skill, you're not learning enough, is to put more reps in, read more pages at night. Go out there and send more cold emails to generate more traffic. Knock on more doors. Call your friend. Call your family and get uncomfortable. What I realized I did in 2021 is that I got really uncomfortable with being really uncomfortable. I was knocking on doors. I was putting myself out there, dropping out of college, uncomfortable conversations at Thanksgiving, Easter. My parents and my family members like, dude, why are you dropping out of college? What the hell are you going to do with your life? They had no idea what I was going to do, but I knew I was going to build for myself. I knew when they were sleeping in at 8:30, 9 o'clock, going to their stable job, unhappy in life, not even judging any of my family members, but people that are just they're going to sit there and just judge you are unhappy. They don't know exactly what you want in your life. But if you can wake up at an earlier time, like one thing that I went from 8 o'clock to 7 o'clock to now 6 a.m. I'm waking up. And these little changes like this has now became my routine. These little extra reps that I can get every day in the morning have transpired into my life tremendously. But I just want to share with you guys the truth. Like, if you feel like you're getting stuck, if you want to start this business, because I remember when I was at ground one, when I wanted to start a TikTok account, when I was at ground zero. Everyone starts with zero. It's about how many times can you go out there, produce, become better, understand that you're improving, going out there and just building upon what you did last. And I just closed a job not too long ago. It was a $4,800 tree removal job. It went so smoothly. It was one of the biggest. It was a home run. It was a great job. And I realized that, damn, that felt great. We made a lot of money. But the truth is, you're only as good as your last rep. You're only as good as that last job. And I'm thinking about this. Now I have to go find my next one. Now I have to go find my next deal, meet the next person, close the next one, go to the gym again, and continue to wake up and do the reps. So guys, I think, and I truly, I'm a believer, believing is a very strong word, but I believe that you control all the outcomes that you produce in your life. Yes, there's certain circumstances, but if you control and just do the reps, literally do the reps, put the time underneath the bars, go on more dates, more Tinders, go on there swiping right, guess what? You're going to eventually find love. You're going to find someone that you're going to want. The more reps you do in your relationship, relationship life, the more time you're going to go out there and meet someone like that. Secondly is if you want to make more money, put the damn reps in. On the weekends, what are you doing? How are you spending your time after you get home from work? Are you going on Netflix? Are you chilling? Are you hanging out? Are you drinking? Are you smoking weed? All this stuff was things that people are young and doing, or playing video games. And I look at people that I grew up to high school with, they're going out on the weekends. They're not building income on the weekends. They're not working. They're getting off at 3 o'clock. They're going right to the bar. What are you choosing to do with your time? And how are you just, putting your effort forward? If you're doing these if you're not sacrificing your time to build something to make more money, well, guess what? You shouldn't expect bigger outcomes in your life. So literally just build the work ethic, build that bone in your body, especially when you're young. It's something that I've developed, is that I love to work. I love to just continue to put the reps in, continue to grow, and continue to just try to make money. And the more that I try, the more that I put these reps in, the more outcomes that I manifest and make more money in my life. I really, really believe that is exactly how I made more money. I found a good vehicle, I improved my skills. I built multiple different side hustles, as well as I just continued to work multiple times, even when I was tired, waking up early, going out on Saturday, going out on Sunday. And this slow compound growth every day led me to greater opportunities, meeting new people, and allowed me to transact and make a lot more money in life. And especially if you want to become more attractive, more physically fit, if you want to feel more confident, what are you doing with your physical health? What are you doing with your mental health? Are you reading? Are you becoming educated? Are you going to the gym, putting in the reps underneath the bar to grow those muscles, to grow your mindset, to grow who you are as a person? It is a numbers game. The more time you put on these areas of your life, the more times you wake up for yourself to stress these indicators, to go out there and actually build upon what you last did, will allow you to manifest the results that you want. So I don't want to be real appreciative, but I'm just thinking it's a numbers game. The more reps you do, the more outcomes that you positively will have. And if you start impacting and having negative habits, doing things over and over again that are going to continue to dig you down to a hole, well, guess what? You might feel stuck. You might feel like you're lost in life, but change your mindset, do different things, and start shocking the system and start putting the reps underneath the bar. But love you guys so much. Just want to reflect and be like, damn, I was lost. I was clueless. I didn't know what I want to do. I was anxious. I knew that I could build something upon myself, even though we're just getting started and we haven't even touched ground level yet. We haven't even put my foot on the dirt. We haven't really started digging, but I'm going to continue to share and document what I've done. People 100% transparent with you, because 2022 is going to be a badass year. 2022 is going to be amazing. We just got our first house. Super excited. Stock market's down, things like that, but I don't reflect on that. I'm thinking big term, long-term vision. Continue to invest, continue to grow the business, continue to sell, and all these skills that I want to share with you guys is going to be documented on this channel. So love you guys so much. Thank you for letting me give you the opportunity to share this story with you. If you need anything, hit me up, comment. But that's me. Hit me with the subscription button. Hey, with the subscription button, if you like this channel, there's more to come. And more importantly, DM me or comment if I can help you one bit. Love you guys. Have a great Sunday. Work out, put more reps in. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.